and still people are not in the conclusion that what it exactly is. Astrology is science or not. That why there is a section of people who very strongly claim that astrology is a science. The concept of astrology, the calculation is not like calculation is done in a laboratory. Technically, we should understand what is science, and if something is not science, then should it not have enough justification to claim a stream of knowledge which do affect us like any other stream of knowledge? The very concept of science is that outcome should be the same. There should not be any difference in outcome. Except science, what we have arts also, right? So if science affects us, then art, the subject of art do not affect us, economics do not affect us, geography do not affect us. We do not take economics, geography seriously, psychology seriously as we take biology seriously. So if we take biology seriously, which claims itself to be a science, then should not we take psychology seriously, which is not a subject of science but art? So we need to understand what is the basic difference between science and art. In science, what happens is, if there is something, if something is happening, it should happen in a calculated way. Just like in laboratory, if some experiment is happening, if some experiment is being conducted, it has a formula, and when the same process is repeated, the outcome is same, exactly same, not even 0.1% plus, not even 0.1% minus. The very concept of science is that outcome should be the same. There should not be any difference in outcome. But there are other stream also, that when something is being calculated, depending on some research, there is an outcome, but there comes a variation. Suppose in economics, people do calculate, right, that there will be a recession in the coming year, or there will be a downfall, but there could be a variation, but there is a higher probability that the forecast, the calculation will go nearby, right? Same ways in when there is a weather forecast, the same thing is done. Forecast is there nearby, calculated on the basis of research, the earlier events which happened. So those streams of knowledge which do forecast something depending upon market research, some earlier